I love all the pockets. It's more than I expected. It's very light, so I like that already. There is one pocket inside that is zippable. It's a good size. Definitely will fit a passport, ID, a wallet. It's very comfortable. It is more comfortable than the other Lululemon bags. I don't feel like it's gonna fall off my arm. I honestly love it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Julia. I'm based in sunny Los Angeles, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you some of the travel bags that I recently purchased. Basically, I'm planning to use that travel bag as my personal item whenever I fly and whenever I travel. So the most important things that I was looking for when I was researching for the best travel bag was the size. I wanted something that wasn't too bulky but also had super high capacity in case I'm gonna buy something when I travel and I wanted to fit into my luggage. So I was looking for travel bags that were a minimum of 22 liters, but I was focusing on looking for the ones that were like from 25 to 28 liters. They were pretty much still looking like a regular purse, but they were like pretty high capacity. I want to be able to fit in them my laptop and some of the other items that I can't fit into my carry-on. And I bought one bag that is expandable, so in case I want to fill it even more, I'm able to extend it. So I'm very excited about this one. This one's from Calpak and the volume of it is 28 liters, so it's insanely big. And all these bags that I purchased are around $100, so they're not too expensive. I was focusing on looking for something that will look pretty, like, you know, aesthetics are very important to me, but also won't be more than $130 and also will be high capacity. Like I said before, something that I'm able to fit my 16-inch MacBook Pro and some of the other items. I bought 3 bags in total. One is from Calpak, the other ones are from Lululemon. These were like the best I could find, so hopefully I'm gonna like one of those and I'm gonna keep it. And my carry-on is made out of aluminum, so I was looking for just a simple minimalistic black travel bag that would go with it, that would look, you know, stylish, but also again be amazing for traveling. So I'm gonna be able to fit a lot of stuff in it. So let's just unbox them all and let's compare them. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first bag is from Calpak. It's the expandable one. This is what it looks like. It's pretty spacious, and you can see there's another zipper here. I didn't know. Oh, this is great. Like, you can fit your phone here, or like passport, something that like you will need to access easily, your flight tickets, they can all fit here. This is like, it goes up to here, so it's pretty spacious. Let me see how it looks. I mean, it's big, but it's, you know, like personal item, like it has to be accepted by the airline, so it's not too big. Like, it's definitely bigger than some of the other bags that I was using, but it's, oh, there's another pocket here. Oh, this is great. This one is actually goes up to here, so it's still big. I guess, yeah, you get a lot of options. Okay, and this allows you to basically put this personal item bag onto your carry-on, so you don't have to drag it around on your arm. That was, again, something I forgot to mention, but was very important to me when I was looking for a travel bag. It had a strap that would allow me to mount it on my carry-on. This way, like, I'm planning to fill it out and make it very heavy, so I want to be able to put it on my carry-on and not have to drag it around. So let's look inside. Okay, so I see it has a lot of different pockets, which is amazing because this way you can organize everything in your purse. So there is a laptop pocket that it's basically, you can close it with a Velcro, which is nice. Let's see if it fits 16-inch MacBook. Okay, here is my 16-inch MacBook Pro. This is the newest. Actually, well, they're all the same, but this is the 2023 MacBook Pro 16-inch. Oh yeah, plenty of space. Yeah, basically, yeah. No, it fits no problem. It's not tight. You can fit even slightly bigger machine, but you can nicely lock it up so it doesn't move too much inside here. So So this is amazing. I love that. And there are some closable pockets here. This one's actually very big. Let me take the MacBook because it's kind of heavy. So there is another pocket that is zippable inside here. It's very big, so whatever you need to store there. And there are some open pockets here. And there is a little strap if you wanna like make sure whatever, you know, is important to you does not fall out. This is good for like wallets. So like if you take your wallet out, then, you know, it's attached to your purse. So it's honestly, this is pretty nice. It's very soft too. It's, you know, like a puffer jacket type of bag. Yeah. Ooh, I feel like it's, you know, very versatile. Like it doesn't look too like ugly. Like it's very minimalistic, even though like it has that puffer style. I feel like it really helps protecting what you have inside, especially when you're traveling. So I like that aspect of it. And it's also a design element. Let's open this up to see how much we can add on here. Okay, so it expands, and this is what it looks like expanded. So still, like, it doesn't look too huge. Like some of the, you know, travel Apple bags that I saw, like they were like that big, and yeah, they may be too big. But this is even expanded, like it still looks good. And like, oh yeah, it adds quite a bit of room here. So I honestly love that you get that option. So it's pretty cool, and it's actually very easy to close it up. Yeah, that was another thing, like I don't want to deal with something that is not like too easy, but no, this is so easy to like expand and then put it back together. So I feel like I definitely will be using it a lot. Honestly, gotta say, this looks pretty good. Okay, first bag that I open and I may settle. Okay, and here I have a Lulu 2 bags that I ordered. So,
oh, let's get this. Can't see my address here.
Okay, so these are the 2 Lululemon travel bags that I ordered. Both of them look good. I would say they're a little more stylish than the Calpak one. The Calpak one, I feel like it's gonna keep my items secured because it's like, you know, that extra puffer. So these are a little more stylish, I would say, than the Calpak bag. They are, okay, let's start with this one. Okay, it's heavier. It's heavier than this one. It's like not a huge difference, but definitely some. Comes with this beautiful logo. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's, I mean, it's definitely wider than the Calpak bag, so like it still offers you a lot of room. It's more like a duffel bag style. The fabric is very interesting. It's like performance fabric. I feel like it's not gonna be prone to scratches, and like it's gonna be very long lasting, but that's known for Lululemon, like very high quality stuff. What do they say? Yeah, oh, it's water repellent fabric, and comes with padded handles for easy carrying, which I like too. And it fits a 16-inch laptop. So yeah, I mean, there is a pocket here, which I like. Oh, I see. Okay, so it is a pocket, but it's a pocket for a strap to attach it to your carry-on. So it's honestly, I feel like it's not gonna hold on to the carry-on as much because like it's just a little strap. With the Calpak bag, I mean, it's the whole thing. It's like attached. So I feel like it feels a lot more secured attached to your carry-on. And I love that it has a lot more closed pockets, because like this, I have to keep open to keep it attached to my carry-on. So I can't really store my documents here. So let's open the interior here. Okay, so there is a little, oh, okay. Honestly, I think I prefer the Velcro than this. Like, it's such a pain in the ass to close it, honestly, especially when it's gonna be dark on the plane. Okay, I gotta say, like, okay, there's one pocket here, another smaller pocket here. Items of importance. So that's a smaller pocket. There is another pocket which is here. Okay, it's a very big. Sweaty. Okay, so it's just for like dirty laundry pocket. It's very big. and also some open pockets and the laptop pocket, and that's pretty much it. So, okay, I mean, let's see. Okay, it fits. It's definitely more like snag here. Also, it makes the bag even heavier. Okay, wow, it's already very heavy, even though like I literally put my laptop in it. Wow. Okay, I guess the bigger handles make it less noticeable. Okay, honestly, not that big of a fan of this travel bag. Like, it looks good. I would say this is better for like if you are planning to also use it, like if you go to the gym. I think it would work, like it would be more versatile when it comes to application. Like if you planning to travel with it, but also like take it to the gym or something, or like use it as a duffel bag when you travel. I feel like it will be great, but I don't think that's what I'm looking for like my main travel bag, you know. But we have another one. Okay, so this one actually I'm a lot more excited about. That's the one I saw online and I was like, this is gonna be great. It's very light, so I like that already, and it has this attached strap, so it's, you know, it's gonna be nice for just put it on the carry-on here. The zippers look so huge. Kind of funny look, I like that. Okay, there is one pocket inside that is zippable. It's a good size, definitely will fit a passport, ID, your wallet. There is the laptop pocket, let's see. Yeah, fits no problem. There is no clip, no velcro, nothing. You can make sure that your laptop is like attached to this, so that could be a, you know, a con. Like, it would make me feel a lot more safe if I could make sure that the laptop won't fall out, but it's probably also unlikely. Then, so yeah, there's a open water bottle. Oh, this is kind of small though. I don't think it would even fit my, yeah, water bottle. But there is a compartment, and there are two open big pockets, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's really it. For the price, I was expecting just more bells and whistles. It's also, the fabric is water repellent. I see you can carry it like this. Technically it's a side handle. I doubt I would use it that way, but okay. It's 26 liters, so it's 2 liters less than the Calpak one. Yeah, I guess if like it's smaller and lighter than the Calpak one, so like if you are not planning to like use it a lot for like filling it out with stuff, like that could be an option, but not too crazy about it. I actually thought this would be my choice, but I think I'm gonna keep the Calpak bag. Like, I like it a lot. It's very, like, yes, it's slightly heavy, but like slightly, and it is more bulky, but like this doesn't look as good as I thought it would. It's honestly as big, but again, since this one's expandable, you get 2 liters more, which is nice, but it's like almost the same size, which is so funny. And this one's cheaper too, and I do like that it's like, you know, kind of like a puffer jacket, like it gives some protection if, like, you know, if I drop it. This one doesn't feel that safe. It's very thin. Honestly, I don't think that was the intention. Like, I think that's just the look they were going for, but I think it has dual purpose. So yeah, and I love the pockets. Like, I'm just gonna keep my phone here, zip it up, and it's like the zippers work so well. These zippers are so much louder and bigger, like, okay, but these work so well. Like, they're actually great, but quality seems to be improving. Maybe not for carry-ons, but for their like toiletry bags and for like bags like this is okay. Okay, so I'm gonna be keeping the Calpak bag. It offers the biggest capacity of all these three. It's the cheapest, and I really like the versatility. I mean, it may not be the most stylish bag, and I am only planning it to basically take it with me when I travel, so I don't really care for that. And I don't mind the looks. I honestly like it. At least for a travel bag, it's very comfortable to just like carry. Like, it is more comfortable than the other Lululemon bags. So like, it feels very confident. Like, I don't feel like it's gonna fall off my arm. I honestly love it. It looks good, and I love all the pockets. Like, it's honestly more than I expected. I forgot that it comes with like this pocket. Like that is so cool. Like no one's gonna even see it that it's there. So it comes with so many pockets. I love the Velcro for your laptop. It keeps your laptop separate and safe. Comes with this little strap. Okay, this is really nice. Okay, so just to finish this video up, I'm gonna keep the Calpak bag as my personal item to basically use with my carry-on, and I'm choosing it because I feel like it feels like it's perfect, you know. Honestly, I love that it's super high capacity. It's expandable, so I don't actually need to expand it when I don't feel like it and when I don't have the need, but it still gives me that option, which I like. And I honestly love these pockets because I'm gonna be able to like put all the items that I will need like easy access to. I don't need to like open the whole bag, look for my passport or my phone or my ID. I can just have it here in this pocket, and some other items I can fit in the other pocket here. So I feel like all of my items are secure, and yeah, this is my choice. And I also love that this, you know, puffer style gives me extra protection in case like someone's gonna kick my bag or I'm gonna drop it. I feel like this just helps to just add a little bit more protection, especially if you're gonna carry your laptop in this bag. So that's my choice. I'm gonna be returning the Lululemon bags, which I actually thought I'm gonna keep. I thought I would be returning this one. I thought I'm not gonna like the looks of it, and I'm gonna keep this one. This was my first choice, and it's honestly my last. I think I would rather even keep the duffel looking bag more. Yeah. So anyhow, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description box. I'm gonna link all these 3 bags down below, and if you're gonna use one of those links, thank you so much, because I do earn percentage out of any purchase that you make, so that helps out my channel and me. So thank you so much, and yeah, I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.